How to use Microsoft Bing AI Image Generator. So in this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how Microsoft's Bing AI Image Generator can be used. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to www.bing.com/images/create. So here it brings you to the image creator. So over here, first of all, we're going to describe what we'd like to create. It's powered by DALL-E 3 and you can create amazing things like this. So I'm going to write sci-fi scenery of World War II. Okay, and we're just going to do that. Now, it's also going to quickly ask us to sign up, and the sign up process is pretty small, it's pretty hefty. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly create a Microsoft account for ourselves. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft account, trust me, it doesn't take a lot of time. Just go through these procedures where it's going to ask you to create an account using an email address. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my email. Click on next. It's going to ask me for my first name, last name. We're going to click on next again. You're going to give them the country, the date of birth, and once you are done with that, click on next. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to verify your email. So you're supposed to get a verification code through your email list pretty easily. So simply go ahead and add that code right over here. So I just got my code. I'm going to add it right here. There we go. We're going to click on next now. Now, once we click on next, it's going to take us through this section where it might even ask us for our verification to confirm that we are not a robot. So let's go ahead and click on next. So just make sure to submit all the things correctly. And once you have done all of that, your account is going to be created and you can finally go ahead and start generating AI images using the Bing AI image generator. So as you can see, I've added this prompt and it's going to start loading it in. Now with Bing AI image generator, you're going to get a little, bonuses right here. These are boosts. So you can boost up your creation or you can simply wait because it does take like a minute or so to do. But you can pretty easily just boost your image and that will clearly give it, a quicker generation time, you could say. So these are the incredible things when it comes to working with Bing's AI bit generator. Like this is why I like using it so much because it just gives you the best idea of creating images, projects, and a whole lot more. So I'm just going to wait for my design to be generated to show you how it's done. So as you can see, these are the generation it gives us. Obviously, I don't see a lot of World War II, but it does give me a sci-fi scenery. So that's the basic idea of Bing's AI image generator. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.